I'm ready to make a really exciting video. This is going to be an unboxing of the new iMac, and it's in pink. I've been so excited about this ever since I heard the announcement, so I cannot wait to show you guys. Let's get to it. All right, let's go. Oh, this is a big box. I'm so excited. Where do I even begin? All right, come on in. Damn. Well, here we are. So cute. What? Whoa, the cords are even pink. So cute. What else is in here? I think that's it. Alrighty. Let's take this bad boy down. Now, for the most fun part. All right, time for the most exciting part, most anticipated part. I haven't even had a look at it yet. Ready? This is gonna be awesome for TikTok. Let's go real close to this. Ooh. Let's see what it looks like on the other side. Oh, wow. If that is an ASMR, I don't know what ASMR is. I'm trying to be so quiet here to enjoy this sound, but let's even get it out from under here. All right. Now, for the unveiling, ready for this? Damn. Damn, she fine. That's sexy. Look how thin it is though. Like, I'm shook. Look how thin that is. Like, this is my finger. Like, come on, really. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. It's like amazing reddish, pinkish, orange. Okay. Let me turn her on. I can plug her in, I'll be back. All right, now we filmed some TikToks, but I'm gonna be turning it on now, and I'm just so excited for the sound of a Mac turning on for the first time. It reminds me of my elementary school. I don't know, I love it. All right, let's go. Let's get to this. I love, love, love how the back looks. It's like a really cool color. Like, are you kidding me? Yeah. Oh, yeah. That looks awesome. That looks awesome. All right. While this is turning on, oh, here we go. That was so quick. Okay, extra points because this was amazing. This is the easiest experience I've ever had with anything, turning anything on. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh yeah, I need to film this. Okay. I am obsessed. It just turned on a second ago and I'm already obsessed. Okay, let's go. Get started. English. I'm getting too excited. I am gonna get this set up myself and I will be back in a week because I want to tell you guys my honest review of how much
English is the main language.
Oh.
Press the return key.
She's there. Okay. I'm already too pumped. I'll be back in a week because I want to let you guys know how much I like it, if there's anything I'm not too into. But so far it's stunning. It matches my aesthetic. Obviously, this computer is just aesthetic AF. So if you guys want to see more of the videos we filmed, they're all on my phone and I'll be posting them on TikTok. So go check it out there. And I'll be having some cute photos on my Instagram, so go check me out there at enfliquecreative and catalogs. Anyways, I'm so excited to get this set up, so I'm gonna go now, but it's lovely chatting with you guys as always. Lots of hugs and kisses. Love you guys. Bye.